Welcome to the video tutorial for the Hoenle UV Scan MACS, powered by PRUUVE. This tutorial covers roll-to-roll applications. Additional tutorials for other applications are available on our YouTube channel. To begin, place one MACS strip onto the silicone paper. Avoid touching the sensor area. Place the stencil over the MACS strip, ensuring the strip is fully enclosed. Snap the MACS reader into the C position in the stencil. Ensure that the MACS reader is well seated. Turn on the MACS reader and select UV dose measurement. Select the appropriate lamp and MACS strip type. The product finder can assist you in selecting the correct MACS strip. Start the calibration and wait for the process to complete. The MACS strip is now ready for exposure. Expose the MACS strip using one UV lamp operating in your system. The product finder can also help determine the correct machine parameters. Remove the exposed MACS strip and place it on a piece of paper. Place the stencil onto the exposed MACS strip and snap the MACS reader into the M position. Start the measurement and wait for the result. Congratulations, you're all set. Take back control of your UV process.